Hey Evelyn, this is Will from Hamilton Nissan, putting together a short video of a 2011 Nissan Sentra SER that we have in stock. This vehicle has nice gunmetal 17-inch SER style wheels, black housing headlights, fog lights, fancy grille. Inside the SER, it has SER styled racing seats. This vehicle is also equipped with the intelligent key. I'm going to pop the trunk here in the back. It's a nice spoiler, SER badging. Storage space here in the back. SER floor mats. Black housing taillights. Plenty of room in the back for your passengers. And then we'll unlock the door here. Inside you have VDC stability control, automatic CVT transmission, and as long as you have the intelligent key on you, we'll just turn this knob here inside the vehicle right up. Pretty neat. This one here only has 11 miles on it. Has paddle shifters. To turn those on, just hit the M button. Has a navigation system, and even a backup camera when you put it in reverse. And you can also get a sunroof, like this one here has. Now Evelyn, if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. Once again, my name is Will Swartz. My direct line is 240-420-8208. My email is wills@hamiltonnissan.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.